Done.
Did you did any changes and you tried?
Yes, I changed all the values.
Okay. Yeah. Let everyone understood what is happening in every line. Guys, just try to do some changes in every line and try to understand what is happening, guys, like that. So that let's in the as we are forward, as we are completing the session very for fast. So let's discuss some problems also in which are in some platform like that. Let's discuss two or three problems at the end also. Shall I go to the next one, guys? Then
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, yeah. Try to print these sequences, guys.
Now it is a pattern where we print 7 and then the
Yeah,
number
seven, seven.
7 minus 1.
Yeah, like that only. Try to do it. If
Yes,
not, I will explain. Try for 2 minutes. I will explain if you are not getting. Okay. Guys, try the both one. In the slide only we have solutions. I will explain that. Try the both one. I will give you around 5 to 10 minutes. Just try it. If you are not getting, it's okay. I will explain because as you are all are beginners, it's okay. You are not doing it. Okay.
By mistake, I did the other way. It is 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, then 6 5 4 3 2 1, then so on.
Yeah, okay. Then 5, 4, 3, then 4 in that way.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, it's good. You are doing something. It's good. Let's see the solution. It's not an issue. Try the second one also.
Yes, ma'am. The second one I did it.
Yeah, good. Let everyone also complete. I will give 2 more minutes, guys. Try to do it. If you're not getting also, just try it by seeing where the error is coming in that way. I will explain the solutions, no issues. Okay, will you explain the second one to the class after a few minutes? The solution of the second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Hey guys, I will explain the first one. Yeah, this is the solution. Um, for x in range of 7, because we are taking outer loop as 7, because here if you see there are 7 lines, I think so. Yeah, there are 7 lines. So each line represents the outer loop, and each every line will represents the inner loop. So as we have 7 lines here, we are taking the outer loop for the range of 7, and for each thing we have to start from 7. To do that, yeah, I is equals to 0. We are taking I is equals to 0. I less than or equals to x. So we are comparing the x and I. If you see here, in the first statement, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is incrementing, right? So we are comparing the I with X. Then after, if I not equals to X, if I not equals to X, we will be printing 7 minus I with end is equals to nothing. Else, we will be printing 7 minus I. So in the first one, I will be 0 and X will be 0. Both are equal. So this print of 7 minus 0 will be printed. So 7 is minus 0 is printed with end as the default, the next line. And we are giving I equals to I plus 1. Here if you see I less, here X is 0, I becomes 1, it becomes false. So it will go to the second line in that way. Yeah, these are the values of X and I. Let it be I. For X is equals to 0, the possible values of I is, the possible values for iterations are I is equals to 0. So 1, 7 is printed. When X is equals to 1, the possible values of I is 0 and 1. When X is equals to 2, the possible values are 0, 1, 2, in that way. So in each line, what we are printing? 7 minus I. So in the first row, 0 is possible, 7 minus I, 7 is printed. In the second row, 0, 1 are the possible answers. 7 minus 0, 7, 7 minus 1, 6. In the third row, 7 minus 0, 7, 7 minus 1, 6, 7 minus 2, 5. In that way, we'll be repeating up to 7 lines. And if the both X and I are same, we'll be giving n is equals to default. Next line. If the both X and I are not equal, then we'll be giving end as nothing. So the elements will be printed side by side. Did you got the logic, guys? Did you get the logic, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, try it in your collapse now. Everyone got the pattern, guys? Are you facing any errors? Respond. Can you all please respond? Completed this code?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The one who did the solution too. Can you explain to the class your solution? Will you share your screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
is
is
it
it
visible?
visible?
No. Just try to share again.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing the same. Ma'am, is it visible now?
Loading. It's still loading. Are you showing us code only directly?
Ma'am, I am sharing
Now
the
it's
whole
visible. Now
screen.
it's visible. Now it's visible. You can explain.
Yes. So, ma'am, this is my code. I've used a for loop here.
Okay.
For I in range, then given a range 10, 10 to 1 and minus 2 is a
Yeah.
step. Uh, and there is a for loop inside a for loop. So for j in range. I have given a range I comma 1 comma minus 2,
Yeah.
and then to print j till the end, and end is empty.
Space.
So it has printed me this output.
Yeah. Yeah, you are correct. Let everyone take
Okay.
the screenshot of this code. I mean, we can do the same thing in so many ways. Yeah, your way is very smart. Very good.
Thank you.
Yeah. You can stop sharing your screen. Guys, I will explain another way we can do that particular code. I will explain another way which is in the PPT too. Yeah, this is another possible way to do the same thing. Yeah, here if you take this is using while loops. If you take here, we have to print 5 rows. So the outer loop should iterate for 5 times. So we have taken I is equals to 5, while while I greater than 0, it means 5 times. If j we are mentioning j equals to I, while j greater than 0, if j equals to 1, 2 into j, I mean it's I think so. It's I. Else 2 into j and is equals to space. Here what does 2 into j? Here we'll be having 5, right? So 5 into z, 10 is printed. Here j and I are not equal. Sorry, 1 only this is. This is 1 only. This is 1 only, guys, not I. Yeah. This is 2 into 5. This is 2 into 4. This is 2 into 3. 2 into 2 and 2 into 1. So for everything, this is 2 into 4. So when I is equals to 4, from 2 into 5 it should start. When I is equals to 4, 2 into 4 it should start. When I is equals to 3, 2 into 3 it should start. So we are doing here j equals to I, and we are iterating up to j equals to 1, 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2 into 1, up to j equals to 1. So this is the condition for while loop. J greater than 0, up to j greater than 0 will be printing this. If j equals to 1, the default should come to next line. The end should come to next line. If j is not 1, the default should be, I mean the end should be the space. In that way it is printed. It is using while loop. For every iteration, j should get -1 and I should get -1 for the outer loop. In that way, we are doing this particular code using while loops. And the code that Tanush have done is also it's right. Everyone okay with this logic? Can I go to the next concept, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Now the next one is infinite loops. Okay, when does this infinite loops are when you go to some chatbots in some websites, it will be giving us answers whenever you'll be asking queries until we say bye or something else. When we say just stop providing answers, then it will just stop the functioning. So in that way, we don't know how many queries that. Sorry, yeah. Any doubt, guys? Okay. Yeah, in the chatbot, we don't know how many queries that user will ask us. In that cases, we don't know how many times a particular loop should have to iterate. So in that cases, we'll be using this infinite loops. So we know that in the while, if the condition is true, it will just iterate. So while of true, when we give while of true, it will just iterate number of times. And whenever it comes to the break, it will just stop iterating. In that way, we can do that. If you see here in this example, while true gives us an infinite loop. Whenever the break is executed, the loop will be stopped. So user input will be taking some input from the user. If the user input equals to buy, the chatbot will say buy and it will start looping. It will start taking queries. It will stops taking queries from the user. If not, it will just print the response or anything. In these cases, we'll be using the infinite loops. It will just iterates infinitely until the user says bye. Everyone got it, this infinite loops concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, everyone. Guys, if you are having any doubts, you can also put it in the chat box. I will see. Let's go to the next one. Fibonacci series. Okay, Fibonacci series means it will the first two, it is a series, it is a sequence of numbers. It is a series of numbers with a small logic. In that series, the first two digits are fixed, 0 and 1. So from the second element, it will come from the previous elements only. The sum of previous two elements is the present element. So the present element should be the sum of previous two numbers, 0 plus 1, 2, 0 plus 1, 1. The next element is sum of two previous two numbers, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. This is the Fibonacci series. It will go so on, so on, so on. So if you see here, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, in that way. This is called Fibonacci series. Let's try to put this logic into the code using for loops. Yeah, if you see here, as I have said, the first two numbers are fixed, a equals to 0, p equals to 1. We are just printing it, 0, 1, 0, 1 are printed. Okay, 0, 1, 0, 1 are printed. And now we want up to 10. We want a series of 10 numbers. Already we have printed two numbers. We are running loop for 8 times, n minus 2. As we already printed two digits, we are keeping here minus 2. For I in range of n minus 2, we are taking a third variable, c equals to a plus b, which is the present element. We are printing it. The 1 is printed. Now what we have to do? The a should become 1, b should become 1. Then the next present element c will become a plus b. So we are just swapping the digits. We are just swapping. Did you get the logic, guys? Like here 0, 1, and the C what will be getting 1. Then after, to get the next element, we should take 1, this one here, this one here. Then the second element become 2. Then after, for the next element, this one should become the here. This 2 will have to become here. So the third element will become 3. To get the next element, 2 have to come first, 3 have to come second. So we'll be getting 5. So here what we are doing, we are swapping the numbers. That is what we are doing here. A equals to B, B equals to C. We are just swapping the numbers, not swapping. We are just adjusting, assigning the numbers, changing the values. So that we'll be getting the results, Fibonacci series. Did you get it, guys? Everyone got the logic?
Yes.
Yeah, try this code in your collabs, guys. Try this. And try to give some other number in n and try it.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, good. I will give you 2 minutes, guys. Just try, everyone try to complete it or take the screenshot. It's okay. Like you have to get the logic behind it. It's enough. Okay, guys. I think, yeah, now checking the prime number. Yeah, we all know the prime number, right? Yeah, what is a prime number? A number which is having only two factors is called prime number. What are the two factors? One and itself. Okay. So let's write, if we get a number, we have to find the number of factors for it. If the number of factors we found are 2, then it is a prime number, or else it is not a prime number. Let's try to put this concept into a code. So here in the first line, we are taking a number from the user. We are taking a number from the user. And next we are counting the count of the factors equals to 0, initialize like that, for I in range of 1 comma num plus 1. Because if, for example, we have 5, number 5, we have to, the factors will be before 5 only. The factors won't be possible after 5. So we have to check from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also we have to check. So here we are writing number plus 1, so that up to number it will check, it will take. So if a particular number is divisible, then the factor count will increase. Like this, we'll be counting number of factors of a particular number. Then after, if the number of factors is 2, then it is a prime. If it is not, it is not a prime. Got it? Guys, everyone got the logic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Guys, only one member is responding. What about the others? I'm not getting your understanding or not. Everyone respond. Did you understand the concept of checking prime? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So this is how we have to check the prime number. Okay, guys. I think that's all for today. Yeah, that's all for today. Try to take some problems from the hacker rank on this way and other thing. Try to do this for loops concept in more number of problems. Then only you will get to understand. You will be writing your own for loops. Okay. I will keep you the assignments. Try to complete that. First, try to complete the assignments and then try any other problems on for loops. Okay. Yeah. If you have any doubts, you can stay or you can leave, guys.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you. Atav, do you have any doubt? Ayan, Shaurya.